Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, it's 11:24 here on the East Coast, and today I wanted to talk about universal karma cleansing by cleaning up our own personal family karma. Have you ever found in your life that your life seems to be repeating cycles of other members in your family, and you wonder why? Well, the reason why is because the work hasn't been done, and guess what? Since you was in next in line, DNA is your job to fix it. So, how do you fix these things? You have to get to the bottom of what it is all about. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. The last time I went through a crazy ordeal, I was going through so much stuff, and I didn't know what was the source of what I was going through. So what I had to do is write down the things that were most important to me. When I wrote that down, I started seeing where the chaos and discord was coming from in regards to things that weren't sitting well with those things that were most important to me. And I realized that a lot of the reasons why these things weren't going the way that I wanted to, because of so much past family baggage that we carry with us. We don't realize that when our parents go through things and our other relatives and friends and family members go through situations in their life, that weighs on us. And then we take on that weight and we try to solve their problems through our lives, even though we are going through totally different circumstances. We try to bring what they went through and make it our own. I'm gonna give you an example. There were certain things that my parents did growing up that I felt wasn't fair. So when I got my own children, I said, I'm not gonna do this, that, and the third. I didn't have dialogue with my parents, asking them why they chose to do this or that. And then guess what? The method that I chose was wrong too. Why? Because there's not that dialogue and that discord. We need to have that conversation with our family members so we can heal and we can make proper decisions. A lot of times we do things because we're drawing up things one way, and that's not even a reality of what really occurred. And if we knew what really occurred, we would have real concrete answers to the questions that we have today. So today, what I'm urging everyone to do is to reach out if you have children, or reach out to your parents and learn the truth. Any questions that you may have had, any problems that you were going through growing up, anything that is going on, we need to have open and honest dialogue with our family members. And then you can find out where you're going to go. We need this wisdom to move forward. That's what that whole term Sankofa is about. It's about looking back so you can move forward, so you're not making the same mistakes. It's not making assumptions that this person did this and this was all wrong, so this got to be this. No. We have that dialogue. We talk to one another and we find out if this is really valid. Some of the stuff that we conceive in our minds is just not even true at all. For instance, there was a very loving couple that I grew up watching, and they were married for 50, 60 years. And from watching that and hearing all the stories surrounding that relationship, you would think they never went through issues. I really thought the man never cheated, the woman was 100 perfect, everything was up and up. And then to find out the truth, and all the facade had, everything was just a facade, and you find out the truth of it all, you realize that how many other stories have you been told that there was a lot of information missing and people only chose to show you the good stuff? They didn't show you the bad, so now you're thinking bad doesn't exist, and when you encounter these bad events, that you got to discard them immediately because it doesn't match up to an ideal that never existed to begin with. So as I watch around, and I even looking at these different relationships that I'm observing, people coming to me with, trying to help me to get them to solve their problems and different things like that. And I'm realizing everybody's going through cleansing of family karma stuff. We need to talk to our parents. We need to forgive. We need to realize that our parents are human. We need to realize that our children are human. We need to realize that we are all here learning a lesson, And we're all at different stages of this lesson. And we can all teach one another. Just because you might be 14, 15, and your parent might be 40 or 50 or 60, does not mean that you weren't sent here to teach them something and they weren't sent here to teach you something. We're all here to teach each other. This is our purpose here. So if you deal with your own personal family karma cleanse, this universe will be good. Because if everybody dealt with their own stuff, we wouldn't be moving on, carrying this into relationships, into business partnerships, into everything. Everything that we go through, it's being reflected on the outside, and then you're going to see it come back to you, and then you're not understanding why you're going through this. Sometimes it has nothing to do with you. Sometimes it's just your family's karma. Something, because you know that DNA is carried down. So if your parents or your family members have not completed a task, or they didn't learn a certain lesson, or they didn't pass that lesson down to you, guess what? You're going to have to learn it, and you're going to be here doing that. So right now, I've been helping people as I help myself go through this karmic cleanse. I've mostly been like surrounded by young people, like teenagers, and helping them to see the reality of where they stand in life and things like that. But, you know, I've been talking to all people. It's not just teenagers, but mainly teenagers and young people have been, like, helping me along this journey of moving forward and seeing things for what they are. And also, of course, being out. I love being in North Carolina because I can actually get away and be in nature. And it's not like that city of Jersey where it's all day, every day. You get to breathe, you get to think, and you get to put everything in perspective. But if you have any more questions about what I'm going through, what we're doing out here, what we're trying to do, if you have anything that you need to get off your chest, you can always post it here, or you can inbox me. But I will post another video today. This was kind of impromptu because I got 5 people back to back asking me things, and it all pertains to this. So I thought it would be easier just to put it out in a video because sometimes I hate typing. Okay, so thank you, and I'll be back later to tell you some more stuff. Peace.